How to calculate the time interval between two time strings. I have two times, a start and a stop time, in the format of 10:33 and 26 seconds, HHMSS. I need the difference between the two times. I've been looking through documentation for Python and searching online, and I would imagine it would have something to do with the datetime and or time modules. I can't get it to work properly and keep finding only how to do this when a date is involved. Ultimately, I need to calculate the averages of multiple time durations. I got the time differences to work and I'm storing them in a list. I now need to calculate the average. I'm using regular expressions to parse out the original times and then doing the differences. For the averaging, should I convert to seconds and then average?
Yes, definitely datetime is what you need here. Specifically, the datetime.strctime method, which parses a string into a datetime object. That gets you a time delta object that contains the difference between the two times. You can do whatever you want with that, for example converting it to seconds or adding it to another datetime. This will return a negative result if the end time is earlier than the start time, for example S1 equals 12 column 00 column 00 and S2 equals 05 column 00 column 00. If you want the code to assume the interval crosses midnight in this case, i.e. it should assume the end time is never earlier than the start time, you can add the following lines to the above code. Of course you need to include from datetime import time delta somewhere. Thanks to JF Sebastian for pointing out this use case.
Try this, it's efficient for timing short-term events. If something takes more than an hour, then the final display probably will want some friendly formatting. The time difference is returned as the number of elapsed seconds.
Here's a solution that supports finding the difference even if the end time is less than the start time, over a midnight interval, such as 23 column 55 column 00 to 00 column 25 column 00, a half an hour duration. Output. Time_diff returns a time delta object that you can pass, as a part of the sequence, to a mean function directly, for example. The mean result is also time delta object that you can convert to seconds. td.total_seconds, method, since Python 2.7, hours, td, time delta hours equals 1, Python 3, etc.
This site says to try. This forum uses time.time.